Alright guys, check it out. Some parts came in. It's in a small box, but don't let that small box fool you. I've been wanting these parts for the longest time. Two of them, or one of them, I'm not going to show you on camera just yet. That's going to be a totally separate video. But let me just get the box and I'll show you. Now, they delivered this yesterday. Unfortunately, I was home and this required a direct signature. I hate it when that happens. Here we are. Oh, check this out. Now, I did order this from Import Image Racing. Big thanks to them. Oh yes. All right, so what you have right here is another mod that will make your engine a little bit more reliable. So this is the Get a Dom Tune Cylinder 4 cooling kit. So as you guys know, Cylinder 4 doesn't really get or any coolant at all. But yeah, there's that. Next thing on the list is the AEM fuel pump. Now the stock fuel pump is not going to be able to handle the demands that this new tune is going to require. So they recommended the AEM fuel pump, and this is going to go in the car. It's a relatively straightforward install. I think everything on the AEM pump is plug and play, so let's just hope for the best. And this is the AEM 340. Alright, so next on the list is the Cobb Subaru fuel pressure regulator kit, and this is something that this car really needs. I absolutely, and I didn't tell you guys this, I actually didn't enjoy driving the car because it's a common issue. It's just the way the Subaru engineers designed it, especially with those, I don't know, wire mess of fuel lines, is that at low RPMs, it doesn't want to go. So at between 2,000 and 3,000 RPMs, you try to push on the accelerator pedal, it falls flat on its face. So this supposedly fixes that issue. I don't know if it will fix it 100%. Please note that this will require a tune. But it's a very common issue. It's been going around for a very long time. Subaru's never fixed it, but good thing Cobb has come to the rescue with this kit. So let's get this unboxed. There you go. It's just a bunch of fuel lines, and you got your fuel pressure regulator. And I don't think it comes with the reference kit. Damn. Mother. Oh, there you go. So there's the T, and here's the extra line. There you go. Good to go. That'll work. Nothing else I gotta order. Thank God. Alright guys, so here we are. Another install day. Another job that I really don't enjoy doing all that much. And let me just get right to it. We are going to attempt to install the Injector Dynamics 1000cc injectors. And as I said in the previous video, these are the hand-me-down injectors that were on Casey's car. He was on full bolt-ons and E85, and he ran just fine on his. But one thing I do have to ask you, is it worth the $500 upgrade to upgrade from these injectors, the 1000cc's, to the new Injector Dynamics 1050X injectors? I'm just wondering, what do you guys think? Now, tuners will say that the 1050X tune better than the old 1000cc injectors, but is it worth the extra $500? I'll let you guys argue about that in the comment section below. But anyways, let's just get to the install and get to work.
Imagine smoking weed in the street without cops harassing. Imagine going to court with no trial. Lifestyle cruising blue Bahama waters. No welfare supporters. More conscious of the way we raise our daughters. Days are shorter, nights are colder. Feeling like life is over. These snakes strike like a cobra. The girl's hot, my son got knocked. Evidently, it's elementary. They want us all gone eventually. Trooping out of state for a plate. Knowledge, if coke was cooked without the garbage, we'd all have the top dollars. Imagine everybody flashing, fashion, designer clothes, facing your click up with diamond rolls. Your people's holding dough, no parole, no rubbers. Going raw, imagine law with no undercovers. Just some thoughts for the mind. I take a glimpse into time, watch the blimp read, the world is mine. Imagine that. Nowhere to be, paradise life relaxing. Black, Latino, and Anglo-Saxon. Amani exchange the range, cash, lost tribe of Shabazz. Free at last, brand new whips to crash. Then we laugh in the illa path. The villa houses for the crew, how we do. Trees C's for breakfast. Dime sexes have been stretches.
All right, so just got done cleaning up the engine bay. If you guys know me, I'm a sucker for a nice clean engine bay. I try to keep mine as clean as I can. If you guys are wondering what I use for the engine bay, I use GOPRO Pearl. This is diluted 2-to-1. I also recommend Meguiar's hybrid dressing, diluted 4-to-1, to give you that nice natural sheen without looking overly shiny or fake. I just like a natural sheen. That's just me. That's just the way I like it. Also, please don't use tire dressing in your engine bay. That stuff is oil based and it's just going to collect dirt and grime over time. It's going to be a pain to take off. Also, I put my rain guards back in because it is Washington. It's going to rain for the next 6 to 8 months, as you can see by that nasty sky, but that is to be expected by living in Washington. So injectors and fuel stumble kit are now installed. It's been installed for about a month now, so I'm just now getting to this video and editing it now. And just to let you guys know, the car drives so much better now. Oh my God. No more of that 2,000 to 3,000 RPM stumble that I know a lot of you guys have. It's been going around since 2008, so this is nothing new. So big thanks to Brent Tuning for helping me get everything tuned. If you guys want 10% off your e-tune, I'll put a link down in the description below. Just use my coupon code and it'll help you get your car tuned, whether it's a WRX or an STI. They also do a whole bunch of other cars, not just Subarus. Also, if you guys want to make your own fuel stumble kit, check out OC Turbo Gel. I'll put a link to his video down below on how to make your own fuel stumble kit and save $100, maybe two, instead of spending $300 on the Cobb unit. Anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. Nothing else to report. Oh, I got the parent air oil separator. That's going to be installed, I think, tomorrow. Not sure when that video is going to come out. So we might do the parent air oil separator on a WRX also, but we will see. Just hopefully everything goes as planned. So anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting me. If you guys want to support the channel, please use my Amazon link down in the description below. It really helps out the channel. Whatever you buy, whether it's car parts, dog food, whatever it is, I get a small commission out of it. Yes. So anyways, you guys are awesome. Thanks for watching. More videos to come. We will talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop, smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to